My name is Dan Flynn. I'm the Analytics Manager at Premier Foods. We are one of the largest food manufacturers in the UK. As a Premier, we wanted to look at finding a company who can look at our data platform and do a review of that and kind of give a view of how we can take that forward. What drew us to Snap was they are a small organisation, which makes them more focused and more agile, which really lends well to Premier's ways of working. We thought they were best suited to work with us. So Snap have worked with us on our new kind of data platform strategy. So following the initial piece of work we did with them to review that data platform, they've actually worked with us through our POC phase or proof of concept phase and through into our productionizing of our new data platform, which includes Amazon Redshift, of which Snap have been fully involved with. And they've continue to support us now as we've productionized that service with the ELS support now, and they're going to be working with us on multiple projects in that area. The things that stand out are that they are a very agile team. They've got a lot of knowledge across the people that work in their organization. They're very trustworthy, so I know I can give them a problem and they can resolve that very well. All of these things come together to give us a really good working relationship. They've understood the business problems and we've been able to drive forward some good deliverables. So we started working with Snap during the pandemic, so that's when our engagement began. So everything was virtual, but that didn't affect any ways of working. We were able to have a daily stand-up, so we worked with, every morning we'd get together on a call and discuss through what we're currently working on, what any blockers, how can we resolve those, and that really helped give momentum to the project and get things moving. Also, in addition of that, in our internal processes in Premier, we need kind of weekly kind of updates to ensure that we're getting that kind of rounded view. So Snap were able to provide that as well to really drive forward the program and deliver to what we need to achieve. I would definitely recommend Snap to other companies for the reasons I've mentioned. So things of great knowledge skills, great communication skills, understanding the problem solving. The team are a very well gelled team, so they work very well with themselves and with us as Premier, and their kind of methodology of agile working really lends well to us, and I'm sure to other organisations as well. So for me, yes, I definitely recommend working with Snap.